Guys, ito na ang aming rasyon na pagkain. Dito lang inilalagay yung pagkain na rasyon nila ng aming pagkain, tanghalian, dito lang. At dito lang kami sa loob rin. Ayan, ganyan, kakatok lang sila na may pagkain na sa labas, nakahanda na. Kaya ayun. Kaya ito ang aming pagkain. Ito ang aming pagkain, guys. Kinukuha namin dito. Ayan. 1 for 1. Room 1 for 1 room kami. Ito room 1 for 1. Ito ang aming room. Hanggang dito lang kami sa aming balcony. Hindi kami pwedeng lumakad. Okay lang naman rin kasi dito ang aming room. Kaya sana kapi na kami mamaya ng aming LGUs para ihatid sa aming bahay. Ayan, dito kami. Guys, ito na ang last day namin ng aming quarantine dito sa Blue Water Resort Panglao. Sana makalaya na kami tomorrow. Kapi na kami ng aming LGU. Kung saan na lugar ka, taga saan na anong lungsod mo sila pick up sa'yo. Kaya iba-ibang lungsod ang pick up sa amin dahil iba-iba naman din kaming lungsod na nakatira rito sa Blue Water Resorts. Iba-ibang LGUs ang pupunta sa amin. Kasi ang mga LGUs ang pupunta sa dito sa Blue Water Resort at sila ang pick up sa amin kung taga saan kami. Ang LGU ang pick up sa amin kung taga saan kami. Hello guys, tayo na tayo. Ito ang dessert. Ito. Ayan po ang dessert. Ano pangalan sa dessert? Anong pangalan yan? Masarap. Ito ang pagkain, guys, namin. Ito ang pagkain ng rasyon namin. Leche flan. Ang dessert namin ay leche flan.
Still we lose from time to time, and we will fall, but we will climb. So many lives you're thinking of when words are not enough. You can lean on me when it's hard to see how the day will live again. Will it ever slip away.
Saka dessert na leche plan.
We won't give up without a fight. Let's take the black and paint it white. So many lies you're thinking of when words are not enough. You can lean on me when it's hard to see how the day will live again. Will it ever mend when we lose a friend? Though we try, we don't understand.
Ayun na.
The world's
Kulay.
saying why, and we prayed for those in the sky. Go set them free. You can lean on me. You can lean on me.
Kain na tayo ng ano,
You can
tanghalian.
lean on me. Pray for the lost. Pray for the families. Although it's torn, our lives will go on. But you can lean on me. You can lean on me when
na
it's
tayo ng
hard to
ating
see
rasyon.
how the day will live again.
Tanghalian.
I know how you feel, but the scars will heal. Though we try, we don't understand. You can lean on me when it's hard to see how the day will live again. Will it ever mend when we lose a friend? Though we try, we don't understand. The world's saying why, and we pray for those in the sky. Go set them free. You can lean on me. You can lean on
Pizza,
me.
guys.
You can lean on me.
Pitsay ang atang gulay at carrots pinaghalo.
You can lean on me. You can lean on me.
At fried na baboy. Boneless na baboy. Pinag-fried.
You never want to hear them say someone close was lost today. So many lives will never be the same. Still we lose from time to time, and we will fall, but we will climb. So many lives you're thinking of when words
Kasama ko
are
rin doon ang
not
likuan niya.
You
Doon
can
kumakain
lean
din
on
siya.
me
Ayan.
when it's hard to
Habang
see
kumakain
how the
nakasalamin,
day will live
sosyal.
Will it ever
Ayan,
mend when we
kumakain din
lose a
siya.
friend? Though we try, we don't understand.
Kain.
The world's saying
Ayan.
why,
Kanya-kanya kami ng
and we
lamisa.
pray for those in the sky.
Kaya nga,
Go set them free.
hindi okay lang.
You can lean on me.
Huwag kang mahiya.
You can
Dahil
lean
hindi,
on me.
hindi uso ngayong hiya.
You can lean on me.
Ayan, tanghalian kami guys.
So many days.
Sige, papatuloy namin yung kain namin.